Is Windows failing to load because of the Rasmontr.dll library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. While preparing the manual steps for Rasmontr library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Rasmontr library, the Remote Access Monitor library. It manages unmanaged real-time monitoring of VPN and dial-up connection status. It facilitates the data link manifests used by the network status tray to report active remote tunnels. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like Rasmontr library DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Rasmontr library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Keep in mind that Rasmontr library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for Rasmontr library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Rasmontr library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.